Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for this trick you need your bill, okay, any currency from your country, okay, just fold like this. And you need one playing card, okay, from the deck that you're gonna use. And for this trick you can use any deck of card, okay, just take a random card, okay, any card, and put the bill, okay, right here, and you just stick it with scotch tape, okay, and just stick it right there. See, stick it right here, okay. So this is your setup, and to from it, okay, you just prepare your setup and your deck. You just put your setup, okay, the second from the bottom, okay, right here, okay. And you can start with showing the deck like this, or if you want it you can do pause shuffle. After that you just do card incomplete. And right now the position of your setup is somewhere around the middle, okay, and there's a break right here. And to make the bill appear, all you do, you just split the deck in where the break, okay, just split it. And after that all you do, you just swing the bill like this, okay, just swing and catch, okay, like this, okay. So here, swing and make the bill appear. Or if you want it, okay, you can do like this, okay, but must tilt down, don't straight like this, because your spectator will see the break, okay. Just put down and just, okay, you just swing, okay, swing out the bill, okay, here swing out like this, okay. And after that, after the bill appear, all you do, you just come, okay, like this, and you just press on the scotch tape, and you immediately simply release, okay, feel the bill out from the scotch tape. Yep, after that you can unfold the bill. And of course, because this is just normal bill, in you can hand out this for spectator for examination. That's it guys, that's the bill bling.